So check it out. I am just getting into AI-based videos, and I've got to tell you, it's pretty amazing the work that it can actually do. If you check out my latest short, you might see that particular video. The girl looks realistic. I basically prompted it to do exactly what I wanted it to do, but I want to show you how easy it is. Let's say you're creating shorts. Now, keep in mind I am using the free version of HeyGen. So this is the free version, and I just want to quickly show you how to put together a simple short if you want. So the only part I will say that it might be hard to get around if it's a free version, you're going to have the watermark on there. Other than that, let me just show you real quickly how to create a quick AI short. So here's HeyGen. What you're going to do is go to Video Agent, and then you'll be prompted to this page here. And what I would do is paste exactly what I want it to do. Create a 1-minute explainer video on how to monetize your Facebook page. Now I'm going to click Generate. This is pretty straightforward so far. Now it's going to go ahead and take that information as it's learned it from what I've asked it what to do, and it'll start giving you the sort of rundown. So I like all the stuff that it's kind of given me. However, the only thing I would change is the music part. I really try to watch any sort of music I use online because I'm always worried about copyright and things of that sort. So I'm just going to tell it here. Don't add the music, but leave everything else. Click this button. There we go. It says no background music. Now it says, would you like to proceed with this plan? Type yes. Now, if you're wondering what your avatar is going to look like, you can see here it says it's a female avatar, radiant smile in blue. I don't know what that means yet. Again, this is sort of new to me, but you can see the footage here, what it's actually going to be adding for AI, which, again, is great that it actually even has like B-roll. So let's go ahead and type in yes. And click this button. So now it says it's understanding the essentials there. Okay, it's starting to come up with the ideas of everything that was talked about. This may take some time. You're going to see it start to render into some video here. See how it says 0%? Give it a little bit. The last one I did that was a minute probably took about a good 5 minutes really to kind of put it all together. So I'm going to press pause. So here's the video. It took probably about between 4 and 5 minutes to go ahead and create. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and download it, and then I'm going to upload it to my actual Facebook page. And you're going to see it in the shorts. I got to tell you, this is an easy way to do this. I've checked out some other software. I am not an affiliate and not sponsoring any of this stuff. I'm just giving out some free information if you're looking to start out. HeyGen seems to be the easiest one to start with. So if you're doing YouTube videos as shorts, if you're doing Facebook Reels, this may be one of the easiest ways to start with. So hopefully that helps out. If you'd like to know more information about how to put together Facebook Reels and get monetized with Facebook, which is something I know quite a bit about, head to the description box below where you can find out some free information as to how to get your Facebook page started.